If you're looking for gaming performance without breaking the bank, we've also rounded up the best budget gaming keyboards. These options deliver responsive keys, customizable lighting, and solid build quality, all at a wallet-friendly price. Whether you're a casual gamer or just starting out, these keyboards prove you don't need to spend a fortune for a great gaming experience. And as always, all product links are in the description below.
Number 5. Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless Gaming Keyboard. The Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless Gaming Keyboard is a top-tier gaming keyboard that offers exceptional features designed for avid gamers. With its compact 96% layout, it retains all function and number keys while freeing up desk space, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a more efficient setup. Tri-mode connectivity. This keyboard supports 3 connection modes: Bluetooth, capable of connecting up to 3 devices, 2.4 GHz wireless using ROG SpeedNova technology, and a wired USB connection. This flexibility allows users to switch between devices effortlessly, making it a versatile addition to any gaming setup. Hot swappable switches. Equipped with pre-lubed ROG NX Snow linear switches and ROG NX Storm clicky switches, this keyboard offers a personalized typing experience. The hot swappable feature means users can easily switch out switches without soldering, providing customization options for optimal performance. Sound dampening features. Keyboard incorporates unique sound dampening foam and switch dampening pads. These features help absorb unwanted noise, such as pinging and echoes, resulting in quieter keystrokes and a more pleasant typing experience. Enhanced typing experience. Pre-lubed keyboard stabilizers reduce friction, ensuring smoother keystrokes and enhanced stability for longer keys. Users can choose between durable ROG PBT double-shot keycaps, Corsair K70 Max RGB magnetic mechanical wired gaming keyboard. The Corsair K70 Max RGB magnetic mechanical wired gaming keyboard is a high-performance keyboard designed for gamers who demand precision, speed, and customization. With its sleek black design and advanced features, it stands out as a top choice for both casual and professional gamers. Adjustable magnetic mechanical switches. The K70 Max is equipped with Corsair's innovative MGX switches, which allow users to adjust each key's actuation point. You can set the actuation from a light 0.4 mm to a firm 3.6 mm in 0.1 mm increments, providing a customizable typing experience. This flexibility is ideal for gaming scenarios where quick key presses or precise typing are required. Dual-point actuation. One of the standout features of the K70 Max is its dual-point actuation. This allows users to assign 2 different actions to a single key press, enabling complex in-game maneuvers and shortcuts with ease. This feature is particularly useful for executing 1-2 combos in fast-paced games. Corsair Axon Hyperprocessing Technology. The K70 Max features Corsair's Axon technology, which allows the keyboard to process and transmit inputs up to 8 times faster than conventional gaming keyboards. Number 3. Logitech G413 SE Full-Size Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G413 SE Full-Size Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is designed to offer both durability and performance for gamers. With its robust build and gaming-focused features, this keyboard is a strong contender for anyone looking to enhance their gaming experience. Tactile mechanical switches. The G413 SE features tactile mechanical switches that provide a satisfying feel and reliable performance for gamers. These switches ensure that each keystroke is registered accurately, which is crucial for both gaming and typing. Durable PBT keycaps. The keyboard uses PBT polybutylene terephthalate keycaps, known for their resistance to heat and wear. This material is the most durable option for keycap design, ensuring that the keys maintain their appearance and functionality over time. Backlit design. The G14 SE is equipped with white LED backlighting that enhances visibility in low-light conditions. A sleek, black-brushed aluminum top case adds a premium touch to the keyboard, making it a stylish addition to any gaming setup. Anti-ghosting and 6-key rollover. This keyboard includes 6-key rollover anti-ghosting technology, which ensures that multiple key presses are registered accurately. This feature is particularly beneficial for complex gaming commands and multi-key combinations. Function keys for media control. The key. Number 2. Razer Black Widow V4 75% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Razer Black Widow V4 75% mechanical gaming keyboard is designed to deliver a premium gaming experience with its compact layout and advanced features. With its hot swappable switches, customizable RGB lighting, and comfortable wrist rest, it aims to provide both performance and comfort for gamers. Hot swappable design. The Black Widow V4 features a hot swappable design that supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. This allows users to easily replace the pre-installed switches with their preferred ones, offering a customizable typing experience. This flexibility is ideal for gamers who want to tailor their keyboard to their specific needs. Compact 75% layout with aluminum case. The keyboard's 75% layout provides a space-efficient design while still including all essential commands. The durable aluminum case adds a premium feel and robust build quality, making it a great choice for setups where desk space is limited. Optimized typing experience. The Black Widow V4 is engineered for a satisfying typing experience. It features a gasket-mounted FR4 plate, tape-enhanced PCB, lubricated stabilizers, and 2 layers of sound-dampening foam. This combination ensures balanced keystrokes with a full, satisfying sound, reducing noise and improving overall comfort. RGB lighting. Keyboard boasts a striking RGB lighting setup, per-key illumination, and a 2-side underglow. Number 1. Corsair K70 RGB Tenculous Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K70 RGB Tenculous Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is engineered to provide top-tier performance for gamers, featuring a compact design and advanced technology. With its Cherry MX speed switches and customizable RGB backlighting, this keyboard is designed to enhance both competitive and casual gaming experiences. Cherry MX speed switches. The K70 RGB Tenculous is equipped with Cherry MX speed switches, known for their fast actuation and responsiveness. These switches are ideal for gamers who require quick key presses and precision during intense gaming sessions. Tenculous design. The keyboard's Tenculous form factor eliminates the number pad, making it more compact and portable. This design saves desk space and is perfect for gamers who prefer a smaller, more maneuverable keyboard. Corsair Axon Hyperprocessing Technology. Featuring Corsair Axon technology, the K70 RGB transmits inputs to your PC up to 8 times faster than conventional keyboards with 8000 Hz hyperpolling. This technology ensures minimal input lag and enhanced gaming performance. Customizable RGB backlighting. The keyboard comes with fully programmable dynamic per-key RGB backlighting. Gamers can personalize the lighting effects to match their setup or display their team's colors, creating a visually striking gaming environment. Tournament mode. The K70 RGB includes a dedicated tournament mode switch that simplifies gameplay during competitions. Activa,